Hello everyone, welcome to prevent a solution given this nested square root problem, which is the square root of 3 subtract square root of 8. Okay, now solution here, we have the square root of 3 subtract square root of 8. Okay, so this is the same thing as square root of 3 subtract. Now we can express square root of 8 as basically 4 multiplied by 2. Okay, now from what we have here, if you are given square root of a times b, this can be expressed as the individual square root of a multiplied by square root of b. Okay, so applying this, we'll have square root of 3 subtract square root of 4 times square root of 2. Now let's proceed. We'll have square root of 3 subtract. Now we can express 4 as 2 times 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Okay, so from what you have here, if you have the square root of a times a, this is essentially equal to a. Okay, now applying this property, we'll have square root of 3 subtract 2 square root of 2. Okay, now we can express square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 2 as square root of, now we can factor out 1 is common here, so that we'll have 3 subtract 2 square root of 2. Okay, now we have factored out 1 is common here. We can express 1 as basically 2 divided by 2. So let's apply this, let's substitute this, so that we'll have square root of 2 divided by 2 into the parentheses 3 subtract 2 square root of 2. Okay, so here we'll have the square root of 2 multiplied by 3 subtract 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, so that now here we'll have the square root of, this is 2 times 3, which is 6, subtract, this is 2 times 2, this is 2 times 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, so we can express 6 basically as 4 plus 2. Let's substitute this. So this is the square root of 4 plus 2, subtract 2 times 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, now from what you have here, if you have the square root of a squared, this is the same thing as a. So we can express 2 as the square root of 2 squared. This is the same thing as 2. So let's substitute this quickly. So here we'll have the square root of 4 can be expressed as 2 to the power 2 plus square root of 2 squared subtract 2 times 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, now from here you find that 2 squared plus square root of 2 squared subtract 2 times 2 square root of 2. This is in the form of a squared plus b squared subtract 2ab, which we can express as a minus b squared. Let's apply this algebraic identity. So we'll have the square root of, this is 2 subtract square root of 2 squared divided by 2. Okay, this is the same thing as, now if we eliminate the square root sign here, okay, so this is the same thing. Now we are saying that we can simplify here, we can eliminate the square root sign, so that now we'll have basically 2 subtract square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. Okay, so we have the square root of 2. So here this is 2 subtract square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. So let's introduce a conjugate on both sides, that is on the numerator and the denominator, multiplied by square root of 2 here, and the same case to the numerator, multiplying by square root of 2. So now here, we'll have square root of 2 times 2. So this is the same thing as 2. Square root of 2, subtract square root of 2 times square root of 2. So if you have square root of a times square root of a, this is the same thing as square root of a squared, which is equal to a. So here, we'll have the square root of 2 times square root of 2. This is square root of 2 squared, which is basically equal to 2. Okay, so here we subtract 2 divided by, we have the square root of 2 times square root of 2 again here. We'll have 2 divided by 2. So this is equal to, now 2 here is common. We factor out 2. We'll have the square root of 2, subtract 1 divided by 2. So if you simplify here, you'll have the final answer as square root of 2 subtract 1. Okay, so this is the solution to our square root math problem. So kindly follow the steps. Okay, follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe, my good people. Subscribe, my good people. Thank you.